Hello everyone, take a section of the top of the hair, add a bow to it, and then using the sections of the ribbon as a part of the braid, begin to braid the hair. Include more and more sections of the hair from the rest of the scalp into this braid as you progress. It will be a kind of French braid. Start off by combing the hair into a ponytail. Once you are done with this, divide it into two pieces. Add a rubber band in the middle at the beginning of it. Pull one section through the other. Roll it up and tie it up. Add another rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun. Adjust the loose ends and then use the rubber band. Make 3 sections at the top of the scalp. Tie a rubber band to each of them, add a thread to each of them, and using the thread as a section, make a braid. At the bottom, include this into a bigger braid. Use all the 3 braids. Start off by tying a ponytail. Add a hair twine through, roll the hair around the hair twine, and then wrap it up into a bun. Adjust the decorative piece. Start off by tying 2 ponytails on either side of the head at the front. Take small sections from it and then join it at the back and tie it up accordingly. Repeat this until there are no more sections left. Start off by tying 2 ponytails and then braid both the sides of it. Make a hole through one of the sides and pull the other braid through it. Take a small section from the top of the scalp and make a braid out of it. Pull 3 strands of hair through this braid. Now begin to braid this braid as well. Join them at the back. Start off by taking a section off the top of the scalp and then tie a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections underneath it and then tie another rubber band. Continue to do this until you reach the bottom. Add a decorative clip or rubber band. Divide the hair into 4 parts. As for the bottom 2 sections, make 2 braids each out of them. Join them to the top. Make a braid from the top side. Add multiple rubber bands in all of the steps. Roll it up into a bun. Start off by tying 2 ponytails in the front. Taking a section from each of them as you progress, join them at the back as such. Keep doing this until all of the sections have been completed. Add some clips. Divide the hair into 4 portions, add multiple rubber bands at the bottom of the section. Join it to the top ponytail. Add a ribbon to it and using the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of it. Roll it up into a bun. Take the front section of the hair and make 3 divisions out of it on one of the sides. Divide the middle one into 2 portions, join it together, join it to the ponytail at the back. Add a ribbon through it and make a braid accordingly, roll it up into a bun. Divide the hair into 5 portions. Join the bottom portions as such and then roll it upwards and make it attached to the ponytails on the sides. Make a bun on the sides and add a hairnet. Start off by adding this hair decorative piece to your hair. Roll your hair up and then tie it up to make a bun. Make 2 braids on either side, join it to the ponytail at the back. Roll the hair along some hair twine and then make a bun out of it. Adjust the decorative piece accordingly. Divide the bottom of the hair into 3 sections and join them accordingly. Attach it to the top ponytail. Roll the ponytail around the hair twine at the top. Make a bun out of it. Thank you for watching.